Aster Basics. Hey Asters! Ever wondered what parts of the chicken we eat? Today, we're going on a tasty tour around the chicken, from wing to leg, from breast to tail. Ready? Let's go! Whole chicken. Here's our friendly chicken. When we cook the whole thing, we call it a whole chicken. Perfect for roasting, crispy outside, juicy inside. Chicken breast. This is the chicken breast. It's big and meaty. It's what we use in sandwiches, nuggets, and grilled dishes. Yum! Thigh and drumstick, whole leg. This is the whole leg of the chicken. It has the thigh, which is soft and juicy, at the top, and the drumstick like a little food handle at the bottom. Some people also call this part Maryland. It's super tasty and great for frying. Wings and their 3 parts. And who doesn't love chicken wings? They're made of 3 parts. The Drumette, like a mini drumstick. The Wingette, the middle part with 2 bones. The wing tip, not much meat, but good for soup. Chicken wings are small, but mighty delicious. Other edible parts. Now for some special parts you might see in your food. Chicken liver. The liver is soft and smooth. Some people love it fried or in gravy. Gizzard. This one's called a gizzard. It's chewy and strong. Chickens use it to mash up food. Skin. Crunch, crunch. Chicken skin gets crispy when roasted or fried. Parson's nose, tail. This funny little part is the tail, also called the parson's nose. Some people say it's the crispiest bite. Wrap up. So next time you see chicken on your plate, you might just spot a breast, thigh, drumstick, wing, liver, or even a little tail. Isn't learning about food fun and tasty? Now you know your chicken parts like a pro. Remember, it's important to know where your food comes from and respect every part of it. Be kind to animals and thankful for every bite. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your family and friends, subscribe to Aster Basics, and hit the bell so you don't miss more fun learning videos. See you next time.